Hello, I'm Engineer Godspower, and you're welcome to first class tutorial. We'll be taking you on different science subjects like mathematics, chemistry, physics. But for today, we'll be learning about from mathematics. Our topic today is the derivative of product rule. The derivative of product rule. So, just from the name product, you know that anything you hear about derivative simply means differentiation. It means differentiation, or it's just the y over the x. You understand? So derivative also means differentiation, and it means the y over the x. So when we talk about product rule, just from the name product means multiplication. It means multiplication. So it's just the derivative of functions that have multiplications. So if we have a function y a function of x, and we have two functions like u multiplied by v, where u is a function, and v also is also a function. So these are two functions. When two functions are multiplied together, that is where we use product rule. When we have two functions multiplying together, that's where we make use of product rule. So we have a formula for using to solve our product rule. So the formula for solving product rule, the formula we use in solving for product rule is that the y all over the x is equals to the first one u, then we differentiate the other function, which is the v, with respect to x, plus we leave this one constant, then we differentiate this one du all over the x. So I'm going to give you an example. So this is the formula we use in solving product rule. So this is the formula. Please, you must make sure that you memorize it. It's a very important formula. So if we have a function, an example, when they say find the derivative of a function, and they say, so we're looking at example 1. They say find the derivative of they give you two functions. Number one, y is equals to 2x plus 1 and 3x plus 5. So this is a function here. They say we should find the derivative of y is equal to brackets 2x plus 1 and 3x plus 5. So what we do here is that we call, this is a function, and this is also a function. So we can call this u, call this v. So what we do is that we say that let u be equals to this 2x plus 1, and let v be equals to 3x plus 5. So we have to find the derivative of both of them. So how do we find it? The normal way we used to find derivative. You know the general formula for derivative. Let me remind you, like you recall, when you have y, a function of x that is equals to x raised to the power of n, and you have a, what you do is that the y over the x is going to be equals to a multiplied by n x n minus 1. Are we together? So what we do here is that from here, we just differentiate. So we say du all over the x is going to be equal to, when we differentiate this, we are going to have 2x raised to the power of 1 minus 1, then this one will change to 0, which is 2x raised to the power of 0, which is equals to 2. While for the v is going to be equals to what? 3x raised to the power of 1 minus 1 plus 0, because this one is a constant, they are constant. Why this one is going to be 3x raised to the power of 0, and anything raised to the power of 0 is going to give us 1. 1 times 3 will give you 3. Are we together now? So the next thing we need to do here is to use our formula here. So we are going to come over here. We're going to use our formula that the y all over the x is now going to be equals to u the v dx plus v du over the x. So what is u? We'll go back that our u is equals to what? 2x. So you're going to say 2x plus 1, you put it in bracket, Then what is our dv all over the x? Our dv the x is what? 3. So you are going to put the 3 here. Plus, what is our v? Our v is 3x plus 5. And what is our du all over the x? Our du all over the x, here you can see that it is 2. So simply, we use this 3 to open this bracket as usual, normal function, expansion of brackets. So 3 times 2x is going to give you 6x plus 3 times 1 is going to give you 3. Plus 2 times this is going to give you 6x plus this time is going to give us 10. Then you see there are x here. So we want to say 6x, you bring these two together, plus 6x plus 3 plus 10, which is going to give us 12x plus 13. And this is our answer. I hope that you understand what I did here. The first thing we do when we are given a function, the first thing you check, is it a function and a function multiplying each other? Once you ascertain that a function and a function multiplying together, then what you are going to use is product rule. Thank you very much for this opportunity. I hope to see you in the next class. Thank you.